Welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. Let us solve a problem from complex analysis. What is the residue of f of z is equals to tan z at z is equals to pi by 2. Given that f of z is equals to tan z, this can be written as sin z divided by cos z. Suppose cos z is equals to 0. Suppose cos z is equals to 0, which is implies and implied by z is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, comma n belongs to z, integers. 2n plus 1 by 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z, which is implies and implied by z is equals to n plus 1 by 2 into pi, comma n belongs to z. So the function f of z has infinite number of poles. F of z has infinite number of poles. Infinite number of poles. And they are given by the formula z is equals to n plus half into pi for all n belongs to z. So the question is actually you have to find the residue. You have to find the residue at the particular point pi by 2. At the particular point pi by 2. So the residue of f of z at z is equals to pi by 2 is equals to limit z tends to pi by 2 z minus pi by 2 into f of z. Z minus pi by 2 into f of z, which is equals to limit z tends to pi by 2, limit z tends to pi by 2, z minus pi by 2 into limit z tends to pi by 2, limit z tends to pi by 2 sin z divided by cos z. Sin z divided by cos z. The first limit becomes actually 0, but the second limit does not exist. The second limit does not exist. As z tends to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is infinite. Let us rearrange these terms. Limit z tends to pi by 2, limit z tends to pi by 2, z minus pi by 2 into sin z divided by cos z. So this is nothing but limit z tends to pi by 2. Let us rearrange the terms. Sin z into limit z tends to pi by 2, z minus pi by 2 divided by cos z. Now, if you apply the limit for the second term, you get 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form, which is known as undetermined form. As z tends to pi by 2, the numerator becomes 0, the denominator becomes cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is again 0, 0 by 0, undetermined form. And the first term, limit z tends to pi by 2, you get sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is equals to 1. 1 into, apply the L'Hospital rule. Apply the L'Hospital rule. So you get limit z tends to pi by 2. The derivative of numerator is 1. The derivative of denominator is minus sin z. Minus sin z. Now apply the limit, you get the same term, 1 into 1 by minus 1. Finally you get minus 1. Therefore, residue of f of z at z is equals to pi by 2. Residue of f of z at z is equals to pi by 2 is equals to minus 1. That is the required answer. Observe that.